All right, today we're gonna bring up easy breakfast. If you ever want yogurt, get your low-fat yogurt or your regular yogurt at your store. All right, we're gonna start with fruit. We're gonna start 2 strawberries, some peaches, some granola bar, granola with raisins and nuts and so forth. But you can buy this on any store. So we're gonna start with the actual yogurt. So we're gonna do 1 layer of yogurt. Start with the yogurt, right? Layer it up as much as you want, and then squish it down. So this will be the base. All right, we got yogurt on it. Now we're gonna do some strawberries. Wash them, cut them. All right, pieces. Layer them up in there. Also, you could do the fruit cups that they sell, all right? And we do have peaches here, all right? Add this in there. This would be like the middle part, right? Mostly. You go add them all if you want, or half of them. Try not to put the juice in there, all right? You don't want to soggy the whole thing up. All right. So we got that layer. You guys can see that fruit. Then we're gonna add more yogurt on the middle. Layer it up everywhere you can. That's about it. That's a simple thing. Now, if it's not sugary enough, you can always add honey, but the topper will be a granola. And then you mix it up when you give it to the individual or yourself. That's pretty much it. That's how she rolled. So I'm gonna show you the side view on this so you guys can see it. And the good thing is that this has almonds, raisins. Very good. So this is pretty much a side view. If you could add more strawberries or more layers, but if in case you don't have fresh fruit, you could always add the fruit cups. You got your yogurt, fruit in the middle, yogurt, and then granola on the top. You're ready to eat. So easy little breakfast. Regular vanilla, non-fat, non-sugar. That's why. So like I said, if you want more sugar, it depends on your actual yogurt you want. So you could even add Greek yogurt, optional. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.